Some surfaces don't get a second chance. They get water, foot traffic, constant use. In wet and slippery environments, safety matters. But too often, safety coatings sacrifice how a space looks. Tuff Coat is different. It's a rubberized, non-skid coating designed to promote traction and safety while still elevating the look of the space. It applies evenly, feels comfortable underfoot, and delivers reliable grip where people need it most. Designed for use above and below the waterline, including full submersion, Tuff Coat performs in environments where failure isn't an option. From aquatics and parks to hospitality, cruise, property management, and landscape applications, Tuff Coat helps create safer surfaces without compromising design. With 17 stock colors and the ability to intermix, Tuff Coat offers hundreds of custom color options, making safety surfaces something people actually want to see. Tuff Coat, designed for safety, built for real environments. Learn more, tuffcoat.net.